Hello, my dear student. I welcome you all to the maths class. So, in today's session, we will be doing question number 2 from exercise 4.3. We are over with question number 1 in our last class. So, let us start with question number 2. Solve the following equation. Number A, 2 bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12 is the question. So, I will be showing you all two methods to solve this. Whichever you feel easy, you can opt it for. Okay. So, 2x plus 4. First of all, what I'll be doing is, here you can see 2 is extra outside the bracket. So if I divide and this is multiplied with 2, the 2 is multiplied with the variable inside, that is x plus 4. So I can divide that, dividing 2 on both sides, we will get 2x plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 12 by 2, because we are dividing 2 on both sides, don't forget that, right? Now 2 gets cancelled out, the value which is remaining is x plus 4 is equal to 6, because 2 1s are 2, 2 6 is 12. Now you can see, I hope you people can correlate this sum with the previous one, that is in exercise 4.2 we have done, right? Variety of sum, this type of sum. So here I can use directly, instead of writing minus or subtracting both the side, I can directly transpose this 4 to the right hand side. This is our left hand side, now this is our right hand side. So I can transpose this 4 to the right hand side, and I will write here transposing 4 on right hand side. If I do so, I'll be getting x is equal to 6 minus 4, right? Absolutely, because there is a plus 4. And if I transpose to the right hand side, I'll be getting minus 4. The value will be 6 minus 4 is 2. Just see, simple step, isn't it? Very easy. Or you people can choose, you people can go for the other method also, which I'll be showing you all. Let me shift this question to that side, make a space, and remember, I'll be showing only one for question number A, this method. I will not be doing the second one. Okay, in the second question, the question is 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now when you have such type of question, if you don't know how to divide, if you forget how you have to divide, then we can also open the bracket and multiply this number. Okay, so 2 into x, when you open it, because here 2 into x plus 4 is there, so this 2 is applied for x as well as for 4 also. Okay, so let us multiply this. 2 into x is 2x, plus sign is there, and outside also there is plus, so plus plus will make plus, and 2 4s are 8. This will not only get multiplied with x, the 2 will also get multiplied with 4. This bracket indicates that only, that is 2 should be distributed among every number inside the bracket is equal to 12, but this 2 will not be distributed with 12 because this is outside the boundary. If suppose this 12 was there inside the equal to sign, then you should have multiplied with 2 also, 12 also, but in such case you will not be multiplying, because 12 is on crossing the boundary, that is after equal to sign it is present. Now transpose this 8 to this side, 2x is equal to 12 minus 8, right? Now 2x is equal to 12 minus 8, you all know it is 4. Now I can write x is equal to 4 by 2. This 2 will become a denominator on the right hand side. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so x is equal to 2 is the answer. So you can see here, you can correlate in both the ways, we are getting the same answer, isn't it? So whichever method you say, whichever method you feel easy, you can opt for that, you can go for that. All right, if there is any problem, feel free to share with me. Okay, let's do number B now. Number B, I'll be doing the second method. Okay, in every question I'll be altering the concept, altering the method. So if I do the second method, then I have to open this bracket first, and if I open the bracket, this coefficient 3 should be multiplied with every number that is present inside the bracket, that is 3 into n. Plus is there, so plus minus will be minus, right? You have to be very careful when you are doing opening the bracket. Minus 5 into 3 is 15, because 3 5s is 15 is equal to 21. Now next 3n, I'm transposing this minus 15 to this side, that is on the right hand side. I'll be getting 21 plus 15, because there is minus 15 3n is equal to, it is 36. Yes, 21 plus 15. N is equal to 36 by 3, as this 3 will become a denominator on the right hand side. Now remove it. No, sorry, divide it. 3 1s are 3, 3 12s are 36 is the value. Now you can try with the first method, that is dividing 3 on both side and then transposing or adding 5 on both the side. You can do, you will get the answer 12 only. Okay, all right, let us proceed now to the next, that is number C. 3n minus 5 is equal to minus 25. Okay, so I'll be doing the first method over here, that is dividing 3 on both sides. 3 on both sides, I'll be getting 3n minus 5 is equal to 21 divided by 3 divided by 3. 3 gets cancelled out. Our main object is to remove the numbers which are attached with the variable, right? We are doing the same thing from the previous questions only. Now the value which are remaining is n minus 7 is equal to minus 7, n minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Now I will be transposing this minus 5 to this side so that my variable will remain alone. N is equal to minus 7 minus 5, the value will be minus 12, isn't it? Sorry, extremely sorry over here. It will be plus 5 because minus 5 is there. N is equal to minus 2 should be the value. Okay, the value of the n is minus 2. You can go for the next method which we have done and practice it. You will get the same answer. Okay, all right. Next, I will be doing the second method over here, which I have told you, that is opening the bracket. When you are opening the bracket, you should multiply each and every number inside and outside the bracket. Okay, so now minus 4 into 2. Yes, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into plus x is minus x, because plus and minus is minus, is equal to 8. Right, now what can I do? I can transpose this plus 8 to this side, isn't it? You have to transpose this minus 8 to this side on the right hand side, because we have to make our variable alone. Okay, so minus x, because why minus x? Because in front of x there is minus, don't forget to put that. Okay, 8 minus 8, when it comes to the right hand side it will become plus 8. Now minus 8 minus x is equal to 16. You can see here this minus is creating a problem with the variable, because this is not creating variable is not alone here. Variable should be alone, so in order to make alone I will be transposing this minus. So when I transpose minus, it will become minus 16. Okay, if you are changing any value, suppose minus 3, you are changing to this right hand side, then it will become plus 3. But if you are changing, if you are sending only sign, then the value won't change. Minus will remain minus only. But if in front of minus, if suppose there is a number, then it will be plus 4. Don't get confused with that. Okay, most of the student does that mistake also. So I hope you people understood this. Practice a lot. If there is any problem, you can feel free to share with me. Okay, now number E, I request you all to do this as a home assignment. All right, I know that you people have understood this. Kindly comment me down your answer, whatever you get. All right, so this much for today. In our next class, we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you, everyone.